Hey guys, it's Lieutenant Deb. One of the questions I am often asked about is women carrying pepper spray. Should you? Absolutely. The thing is, you need to train with it. Any kind of weapon you have to train with, 100%. Because the very first time that you pull out your pepper spray and need to use it on somebody doesn't need to be under an extreme amount of stress and you haven't even figured out how to unlock it. So what do I want you to do? I want you to buy two, go outside, put up a paper plate with a little face on it, hang it on the tree, and figure out how to unlock it, how far away you have to be from the person or the plate while you're spraying it. I want you to fire 2 to 3 second bursts, aim for the eyebrows, and let it run into the eyes. Why do we do this? This is so you don't shoot off all the pepper spray in a hurry and you're actually making sure that you're making contact with the person's face. I want you to get up close and see how it feels. You don't have to spray your face like we get it. Just see how it feels. Maybe get a little bit in that, because anytime you spray a pepper spray, you're going to get some back on you. So you just know that it sucks, and it's a gift that keeps on giving because it burns and burns for about 45 minutes, but it's not going to kill you and you're going to be okay. And just know anything that you use, any kind of weapon, you're going to want to train on it.